6ix9ine. Can't she? Oh.
Off. Wait.
Do 6ix9ine, damn she's fine. So I can tell you one more time, get low. Get low, get low, get low. Get low, get low. To the window, to the wall. To the sweat drops on my balls. All these bitches crawl. All these schemers. All. Okay, Brittany Philippe, you are so cute.
You are
I love
so
you.
cute.
I just serenaded
have,
you.
like, the perfect features.
I know, you're so freaking cute.
Like,
I miss you.
I would marry you. I remember we had our first sleepover together, and like,
Remember we used to like go to gymnastics today? I mean, did I just say, what did I just say? Remember when we used to go to gymnastics? No, wait. Remember when we used to go to
no, wait. She's not gonna go anywhere.
Remember when we used to go to cheer together?
Cheer?
Yeah, we used to cheer together. And it was like really cool at first, and then it was like really lame. Yeah. Anyways, we really need to hang out soon because I really miss you, and I really.
We should have an eating fast. Cause I want to eat.
Yeah, me too. I'm really hungry.
I'm so hungry right
But
now.
we can't eat.
Because it's 11. And then if we go to sleep, we'll get back.
Yeah. Okay, bye. I love you.